Home Remedies presents how to use this one ingredient for perfectly curing dry cough. How can I get rid of it? A dry cough is a cough where no phlegm or mucus is produced. It can be difficult to treat. Once your airways become overly sensitive, they are easily irritated by coughing. It may be caused by viral illnesses such as cold and flu, allergies, or throat irritants. In today's video, I will share with you one of the best home remedies for treating dry cough, and that is none other than drinking tulsi tea every day. Yes, tulsi has long been known to have various medicinal benefits, and it is an effective and safe natural remedy for cough. It does not only possess antiseptic and analgesic properties that help cure many problems including dry cough, but a tea made using tulsi leaves relieves allergic bronchitis, asthma and other lung diseases in no time. So let's see how to make it. Ingredients: holy basil leaves 5 to 7, clove 2 pieces, honey optional. Directions: boil the water in a pan and add the leaves and cloves. Switch the flame to low and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Cover the pan and let the leaves infuse in water. Strain the extract and drink warm to cure dry cough. You can add honey to taste. Drink it twice a day to reap maximum benefits. No matter what the cause of dry cough may be, tulsi tea may come to your rescue. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.